Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Redmond Bay is a picturesque inlet located within Baptiste Lake in Hastings Highlands, Ontario. The bay is part of the larger Baptiste Lake system, which is known for its clear waters and scenic surroundings. The area is popular for recreational activities such as fishing, boating, and birdwatching. Anglers often visit Redmond Bay to fish, while bird enthusiasts can observe various species in the region. The surrounding landscape features a mix of forested areas and waterfront properties, offering a tranquil setting for residents and visitors alike. The bay's connection to Baptiste Lake provides ample opportunities for water-based activities and exploration.
Thanks for watching!